Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you guys? Hope you are all on behalf of Master BD. Best wishes and congratulations to all. Hello viewers, I have brought a new video in this channel. This video most amazing what save your document as a PDF file. Okay, this is the convert your Word to PDF, PDF to Word. This is the your main topics. Okay, I will explain the video in today how to do. Before starting the video, I would like to say to that those who are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like, comment, share in another friend circle. Your great motivation this video, comment inshallah. So start the video without delay. Stay with me. Okay. This is the Word file document. The video is start your Word file one phase, okay, or two phase, any phase, okay. Your document file, your Word to PDF and PDF to Word convert. Okay, this is the convert the file shape. Basically, file as a shape, then your option. Okay, this is option. Your print option. This is the file save option, your print option. Okay, print preview, then quick print, then print. Okay, this is the print option. Okay, I mean two option. I will explain the two option in this video. Then properties, your the printer is the available, the printer directly print and out the paper. Okay, this is the convert. Okay, I will explain the video topic is convert Word to PDF and PDF to Word. This is the convert. Then okay, desktop mode, then accept your file name, then save. Okay, this is the save, then convert desktop, then 1 to 2 all 12 file name save. Okay, this is the convert and PDF file. Okay, this is the PDF file, Word to PDF. Okay, this any again Word to PDF another option, and another option the PDF, then Control plus P and second option Control plus P, then properties, then any printer option, switching the running, then the printer option select. No printer is selected, install the printer mode, then not a print. Okay, this is the option is Word to PDF, PDF to Word. This is the name and /3 the file name set. This is the desktop. Okay, then again the /3 file name, then desktop is mode and clear. Okay, Word to PDF. This is the convert or basically PDF to Word. Then PDF to Word, www.smallpdf.com is name. Okay, the PDF and website name. Okay, this is the website. Okay, and then basically the PDF to Word. Okay, this is the PDF to Word, the PDF to Word. Then okay, then choose file, the desktop mode and PDF to Word, desktop mode and PDF to Word, then 12 or 13 same file, then select, then open and uploading the PDF file, then PDF to Word convert. Okay, this is the PDF to Word, then convert, then tick mark. Okay, this is the choose option. Okay, this is the PDF to Word converting. Okay, this is the PDF to Word converting your file, then convert to okay, then download the file and okay, already download, then PDF to Word file. So friends, no more today. Those who are still subscribe my channel, subscribe very quickly, play the bell icon button to next video inshallah. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.